India. Okay, you are from Maharashtra. I'm from Odisha. Yeah, are you a student or are you working? Which department are you studying? Okay, then which year are you studying? Wow. Then are you studying in Maharashtra or are you studying in different place in India? Okay, you are studying in Delhi, but you are from Maharashtra, right? Okay, Miss, after completing your graduation, which department do you want to go? Government, private, or any? Do you want to, Miss, set up your business? Okay, so nice. Then how long have you been using this platform? Okay, how did you know about this platform? Okay, I heard maximum learner they got to know from Instagram, right? And they know about this platform. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Okay, how much time do you invest through platform per day? Okay, half hours. That's good. And apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Mm-hmm. What type of which YouTuber do you follow? Okay, of course, definitely it has many type of YouTuber, but special people they follow particular one YouTuber, right? I also do this kind of. Do you watch TED Talks something? Okay, which miss which speaker do you like? Mhm. Okay, that is a main issue for everyone, right? Procrastination is a big issue for everyone. If you don't build your habit and you always procrastination with yourself, your goal or your everything, then procrastination connected with our goal achievement, right? If you feel I will do next day, I don't want to do today, then it is so big issue, right? Yeah. No, I'm not from Gujarat. I'm from Odisha. How do you feel this kind of? Oh my goodness. Really? Okay, maybe, but India is a languages country, and India has one language, English. It has so many accent, right? Because foreigner has one language, one culture, but India is not like that. No, I am not a student. I completed my graduation. Right now, I want to be good communicator. I want to speak better English like you. That's why I am using this platform. You know, as a Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? I told you, okay, I never tell, I think so. I am an unemployed. Yeah, I have long term and short term goal on my hand. That's why I want to enhance my English speaking. I want to speak better way, right? Survival, but Indian standard English, right? Yeah. Then what kind of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Okay, so and do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking apart from this platform? Okay, because you are a student, you don't have time to invest in like a speaking part, right? Yeah, that's good because it is because you are a good speaker, you are a excellent speaker. Your mode of speaking is outstanding, remarkable, splendid, awesome, good at. No need to practice with anyone. If you invest your 30 minutes per day with language, it's enough for you, right? Yeah. Then if you okay, you are a premium user, how much amount have you paid through platform? Hmm. Okay. Then, if you meet any kind of co-learner, do you take any topic to discuss with them, or do you talk with them in casual conversation? You are a premium. Okay, you are a premium user, right? Because you get enough time to interact with language learner. Then I asked you if you meet any language learner, do you take any topic to discuss, or do you talk with them in casual conversation? Okay. Right, you are right. Next person they want to discuss any topic and they're ready to discuss, then you take topic to discuss with them, right? Or that person refuse to discuss any topic, then you talk with them in casual conversation. Yeah, everyone they don't want to like to take topic to discuss. Everyone they likes to discuss only casual conversation, right? Yeah. Then you tell me, do you want to talk with me any topic or do you want to talk with me casual conversation? Okay, thank you. What is weather in there? Rainy season is going on, but right now, what is weather? Means raining is going on, or still it is cloudy, it has drizzling raining, or it has dogs and cat raining. What else? Right? Yeah. Rainy season is going on, but which season do you like? All type season? Winter. Okay. Why do you like winter season? Okay, and you wear a different color sweater and clothes, right? Yeah. Do you like traveling? Okay, apart from your state, how many state have you visited within India? Okay, which state have you visited? Okay. Wow, then you have visited maximum 20%, right? And if you get chance, then which country do you want to go?